Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Bixby in any Samsung device. So for this guys, first of all, go to settings and then scroll on the section so that we have an option of advanced feature. Just tap to advanced feature guys, and as you see, we don't have any option of Bixby here. By the way, I am using Samsung Galaxy A15 device and this feature is not compatible on this device. So by the way, if you are using any other flagship phone or any other device like S series phone or any other A series 5G model, so you have the feature of Bixby here. So all you guys have to do, just tap on Bixby and then enable this feature. By the way, if you guys want to see which phones have compatibility of Bixby, so all you guys have to do, just go to Chrome or Google and then search for Samsung Bixby compatible phones. So here are the list of the device which have Bixby support. By the way, I am using Samsung Galaxy A15 and I don't see Galaxy A15. That means this feature doesn't have in Galaxy A15. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.